I want to show you one of our recent projects. This is an accounting package that can be used to manage daily transaction, and of course, this can be used for any kind of business. So it's a web application that can be hosted either online and also offline. So I'll just take you through the environment so you see how it is. So I'm logged in. It takes you to the daily transaction environment. So we have the tabs here. So from here you can see the item here that services that are provided by this establishment, and all these items are mapped to their prices. So anytime you click any one of these, the price automatically is captured there. So you can see the quantity, and you also have the income, how much is being paid for the services. And I decided to use this form, like also making provision for expenses. So you can't enter the income and expenses at the same time, but they have to be entered separately, except in a case where there was an expenses incurred while you're trying to get the same income. So the income, the expenses point is here, and the date of today and the time is captured here. So once you do this and you click submit, you have access to the sales. This is an example of how the form would look like. And from here, you can see at the bottom here, the total amount of sales that was done. Then if there were purchases, system will also bring it down and tells you exactly what was purchased. Then you may choose to view this page, or you view this in uh, as different records in in separate pages. So in this case, I think we have 10 records per page, so there are a total of 111, 14 pages, or you can view all in one. So viewing all in one, what it does basically is it brings in all the income and expenses together, and you can see how the system is summing it up here. It's telling us this was the total amount that was gotten for the 3 month period, and this is the expenses, and that's the difference. So, but you can also search for by date. For example, if you want to know what happened between um, November November 2024 to the end of December 2024, just click OK. The system will bring it out for you. So here it will tell you how much was realized and how much was spent, and of course how much made from that. So that's basically how that is. So you can also print receipt. Now, printing receipt basically will involve that you have an idea of the serial number that you're working with. For example, if someone has bought 2 items, let's assume that this between 60 to 63 services were done by one person. So you can print receipt for that by doing the following. So I'll just click receipt, then I'll type beginning from 60 to 63. Um, if there's any discount that is associated with the amount that you want to give, you can specify the income. For example, if I give 5% discount, that's what it is. So if I do this and click submit, the system automatically will create this receipt for you, and it will tell you how much it is and the discount for that amount that is paid. Then once that is done, then of course you can also monitor how you are doing over time by viewing the chart of your services. So the chart will give you an idea of what was sold and what had the highest and what had the lowest, and you now know where to invest more time on. So these are the small accounting software, but of course it can be customized and expanded to meet any accounting needs. Thank you for listening.